Hi guys, welcome back to Gloss and Sparkle. So what I have for you today is an unboxing from a company that is new to me. It's called MGF. I keep saying MFG. It's MGF Supply. And they have wholesale boxes that for resellers that are targeted toward resellers. Now, I have this enormous box down here. And I would pick it up for you, but I can't because it's too heavy. So MGF Supply has a few different boxes on their site. They have currently a Target's Returns Premium Wholesale box, and this is what I'm going to be unboxing today. They also have a Target Clothing Reseller box, a Home Depot March Tools and Hardware reseller box, and a Target Returns Premium Wholesale box large. So I'm going to be unboxing the medium today. And yes, right off the bat, I'm going to say it's kind of funny because I thought that they understood that I was mainly a clothing reseller, so I thought I was going to get the clothing box, but that's okay. I got the Target Returns box, totally fine. I'm actually going to be using a lot of the items in this box, so yeah. But I would say for the rest of you watching this video and trying to decide if it's something that you want for your reselling business, if you're an eBay seller, it'd be great. Or if you even are a Poshmark seller and you just like to sell other things than just clothing, because that's allowed now on Poshmark, then yeah. So without further ado, let's get into this box. So the first thing I'm pulling out of here is actually a clothing item, a pair of shoes. These are a pair of universal thread ankle boots in a beautiful faux suede, and this is what they look like. They're very, very soft, very nice. They are new without tag, never been worn, so they don't have the tags on them, but usually Target stuff retails, I'm gonna guess these were anywhere from $29 to $39 retail. Yeah, these are nice. I can definitely sell these. Okay, so the next item is a definite return because it's opened a little bit. It's got this flap opened, and this is a pack of Fruit of the Loom Beyond Soft briefs. These are tag free. There are 6 pairs of briefs. Make sure they're all here. They are in here, and yeah. So these kind of items remind me of something that Lindy would unbox, because she always did return boxes. If you guys watch her, I really like her. Yeah, this is just that kind of item. So yep, don't know what I'll do with these, but I'm sorry, I'm a little sniffly because there's dust flying all around this room from this box. But here we go. This is 4 short leg boxer briefs from Fruit of the Loom in the size extra large. So maybe my husband will like these. They are sealed. They are definitely sealed. So yeah, there's that. The next item I'm pulling out of here is a mini waffle maker. Just looks like this, and I actually bought this for my cousins because my cousin likes mini things, and so I actually bought her this from Target a little while back. So yeah, a 4-inch cooking surface, non-stick, 350 watts. So nice item. This item here, oh, and if I didn't tell you before, this whole entire box retails for $99.99. So I don't know if it's $99.99. It's $99. and what's awesome about MGF is that the price includes their shipping. That's how much it is shipped to you. So it's really, really nice that way. Yeah, so if you're trying to figure out, just keep that number in mind if you're trying to figure out if this would be a box that would be good for your reselling business. So this is a pack of jersey sheets. These are in a size twin. I don't know how my mom figured this out, but when she was looking at this, she was like, ooh, these are nice jersey sheets. And oh, she looked on the tag. Extra large twin sheets. Yep, that's all it says. So they are new without tags. They have obviously never been opened before. But yeah, they're soft and minty, and that's what they look like. Okay, so another clothing item is these cozy leggings, French terry lined, high-waisted leggings from A New Day. They are in a size small medium. These are always nice to have. I don't think that these will fit me, but perhaps I'll either sell them or give them away. All right, so the next item in here is opened, but I think that's just because my mother opened it because she was looking through this box to see what was in there. So this is a Homedic Soul Soother Vibration Foot Massager. She is very excited to have this. So it looks like this retailed for $15. So is this heated, or you just put your feet in there? It takes AA batteries, you put your feet in, and it just vibrates your feet. So that seems relaxing. Very nice. Oh, and it is ripped on the back, so I don't think my mom did this part. So yeah, this one was a damaged return. Okay. The next item is this Sauna FX 10-inch neoprene waist trimmer belt, and this does not have a price on it. It is opened, but it's new in the box. There's nothing. It hasn't been taken out of there. No price on it. Oh, neoprene treated with Microban, antimicrobial product protection. That's interesting. Microban is so popular these days, and for good reason, because it really does help. But yeah, this is very, very interesting. I might have to try this out. The other thing that's in this box, ooh, it's kind of heavy, is this. I thought this was so cute. This is a jewelry box. It retails for $25. And does it look, okay, so it looks like this. Then you open the drawer, and it's got the compartments, the ring compartments, and then a little bit bigger slot for maybe necklaces or bracelets. Really, really cute. I personally don't need a jewelry box. What have I done? I just wedged the drawer. Oh, okay, yeah, I fixed it. I personally don't need a jewelry box. I have a jewelry drawer that I use, so yeah, I don't have a use for these. And there is like one little mark there, if you can see that. So just noting it. But this retailed for $25. So very nice. Okay, and the last item in this box is something that I am going to definitely be keeping. It is new without tags. It is this throw blanket that is completely fur. Oh, it's just so nice. Faux fur, obviously. It's really, really nice. And look at it. It's so soft. Cuddly. I can't wait to wrap up in this. This is just my style. Just cozy and warm, and oh, I just love it so much. So I'm excited, and I'm definitely going to be keeping that. So like I said, this entire box was $99, full of returns, customer returns. Some of them were new with tags, some of them were new without tags. So you're kind of, and it, obviously you're going to get a different box than me. So yeah, it's kind of, that's the thing about mystery boxes, is that you never know what you're going to get. So it's up to you to decide if this is going to be a good choice for your reselling business. But I do like the fact that they have free shipping. And also, they were kind enough to supply a coupon code for my viewers. And the coupon code is, I'll put it right here, GLOSS20. And it's for 20% off your first purchase. So yeah, pretty good deal. Like if you wanted to try the clothing reseller box, that one's only $39. So it's kind of a nice thing just to be able to just try out if you wanted to. But yeah, I think overall it was a good deal, and yeah, I can't wait to see what you guys think of it as well. So if you want to check out MGF for yourself, head on over there. I will link their website in the description box below. And as always, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!